Can you step more forward?
I'm double attached.
Cassie, move.
Ouch. Do you have any pliers?
Probably.
That would probably work better.
Let me see if I got pliers on the gunner bag.
There you go. There you go. The girls are freaking out.
About what?
They don't know what happened to you, so they're like...
Hit the brake!
I'm on the brake!
Okay. Gotta give it some gas.
Okay, ready?
There you go, Rachel. Good job. All right, Rach. You got your e-locker on?
Yep.
Oh, man. Nice. Nice. The stock FJ wins.